Eyeliner.
I put that shit out. I don't think you want a mirror.
I don't think you want a mirror yet, bro.
Bro, look at that.
I don't know how I look, bro.
If I was a girl, I'd fuck you.
Where's the eyeliner pen? Helicopter.
Birdo.
When he said we got the makeup right here.
Oh, Frankie.
Hold on, if you put some music on this.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
Hopefully. I've had it with you, pal. Stay off my lawn. You got a 24-hour challenge, school prank.
My knee gave out when I stood back up. I'm old, nigga.
17 with like heart problems, lung disease, acid reflux.
I started. Damn.
My mom go beat your ass, nigga.
Mom beefing with me, yo.
My mom got beef with this nigga Vance, bro.
Get suspended.
Going to the shot, bro. Listen.
Oh my god, bro. Birdo think he the MC. He not the MC.
MC like baked chicken.
He a side character. He ain't the MC. Look at him. He dropped it. Hey, your battery pack fell out.
Imagine having a hat.
Huh? So?
Storm rain.
Rain shuttle legend.
Oh yeah, Dakota. Deal with our sponsor, bro.
Today's sponsors.
Should've told me what you're gonna be wearing today.
Honey.com.
Could do the magic.
This video is going to be sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, a fun, massive multiplayer online game RPG. Get it now! Don't wait. Please sponsor me.
Zaire, the light hitting your eyes, bro.
I know, I'm beautiful.
Yo, Brandon, bro.
My earring.
That little shiny.
Oh, nigga that broke his fake conjurer.
Cut that out the video.
No, bro.
No screen time for this one, please.
Rock, paper, scissors. We play rock, paper, scissors with the audience. We go and shoot. If I win, y'all send my email booty pics. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I know for a fact I'll win.
He at least won, like,
I won at least like 14 booty pics, nigga.
What's the email?
Some retard pick scissors. That was me! Oh, bro.
Shit, that word? Baby.
I think it's a photo shoot.
I am gonna take some photograph classes, bro, in college.
Nigga wanna go to college.
Whoa, bro, wait.
I appreciate your dreams and aspirations.
I don't appreciate none of that shit.
Taking this nerd on a one-way trip to Loser Town. Population, him.
Alright, now we appreciate your whole senior game.
We?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Now it's like he hating that. What do you mean what you do, bro?
What I do? I went over there and supported that nigga. You a bitch.
Nobody else will do it. You can do my makeup.
He volunteered because nobody else volunteered.
Nobody wants to step up. I guess I'll do it.
Yo, Dakota, bro. Turn around, Vance. Eddie like V-Lone on his back, bro.
We gotta do Birdo because he's leaving like 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
So you doing Berto first?
Birdo first.
All right then.
I never done anybody's makeup before, nigga, so I don't know.
Yassification Berto, bro.
I'll be doing mine in my room when nobody looking and I dance around the house and all over print panties. My mom's gone, that fucking bra would never understand me. We about to get copyright strike.
We?
Seen that
Right?
shit.
I crashed that fucking airplane. Saggy nigga Bob was in.
Stab Bruno Mars in his goddamn esophagus and won't stop until the cops come in. Alright, we're gonna need a lot of concealer. So
5-minute transformation. You won't believe what happens. Watch to the end.
you won't believe what happens next.
He gets bitches.
What is this?
5 minutes tutorial on how to get bitches.
Oh, that's for like.
Looks like sand.
Nigga, I don't know.
What? Don't you put that shit in water a little bit?
What? That's for painting.
Oh, my bad. That's not the same thing, bro.
Oh, that would fuck up your whole makeup palette.
I want eyeliner just to look like Roderick, bro. So hot.
Loaded.
Eddie, bro, I don't know about you, though.
Loaded dick.
You hear that new single?
All I know is
I hate my mom. Bro, come here often?
yeah, I do sometimes. You go to the school?
Yeah, you good.
Damn, bro.
I made the whole group laugh. I'm so happy. The whole group tried shop at Sheen. Me and my
all,
nigga
bro.
shop at Sheen, yo. I'm a dick.
Your nigga.
We? What you mean we? Nintendo Wii?
Hey, let me get a mitt. Let me get one too.
What you doing?
What are you doing? Standing there, waiting. This is island.
This is not good.
I better feel beautiful after this.
I wonder what your mom's gonna say.
She's gonna beat my ass.
So, niggas thought shit was sweet, right?
Oh yeah. Take it off.
JK fucking rolling, nigga.
JK Rowling.
Yeah, fucking racist, nigga.
Oh, let me do the mascara.
Hold this for me.
Are you
Hold
making-
these. Hold these. Come on.
What
Hold
is
these
that?
nuts.
Berto Uzumaki.
Hold on, let me do the mascara.
29.
Oh, what? Gomu starts poor face. Latina bitches hit my line.
Oh no, Coda. Damn. This nigga fucked up in 2 seconds. I was going crazy, and this nigga fucked up immediately.
You made him a cat. Is it, bro?
No.
Arigato.
Hold on.
Come on,
Look at Berto John.
Vance, don't be don't be about
God, you're doing this forcefully. I feel like.
Butt sex on the
I
internet.
like it.
Hey, shut up, bro.
Sex on the internet. Nigga butt sex on the
I'm trying
internet.
to record, bro.
Yeah, look. Oh, wrong one.
Yeah, see, my job was.
There
Wait,
you go.
You kind of look like Goku.
why you back up?
Oh yeah, Vance, that one.
That's the one. You look like Tupac.
How do I look?
Loki.
Easier.
Kylie who?
You mean Berto Jenner, bro?
Berto Jenner.
Oh, wait, Vance turn?
No, bro.
Damn, that shit.
I call that shit too, bro.
No, I'm not done.
Nigga, what?
She did. Give us enough.
Tonight the music seems so loud. Bro, stop. Do better, nigga.
Why you put so many layers?
Me, shut your bitch.
I don't think there's gonna be another time. What? I don't think there's gonna be another time.
Oh, fuck!
Do eyeliner.
I put that shit on there. She
Yo, Vance, is that your dad over there?
didn't give us eyeliner.
You think I'm
Oh,
fall for that?
My phone.
After 17 years, you think you just come back now?
Hey Julio, give him some makeup.
Look at this thing.
Oh, look, bro. You look like the Joker.
I just told my mom not to worry about what I'm doing. There's no eyeliner.
She didn't give us eyeliner.
I don't even have.
That how I did. How did I?
You did eyeshadow.
This one.
Okay, yeah, it's not sharp at all. Look, feel it.
I know it's soft. I'm not gonna touch it.
You know it's soft, my dick.
Remember those fryers?
God, that's good. That's good.
What's up, bro?
That's good.
I look like Joker, dude.
No, I'm not snibbling.
Make me look like Roderick.
All right.
More like Bodrick from Diaper Loaded. Loaded fries.
Are you listening?
Nice, bro.
Bro, move your head, bro. Bro, move your head,
The
bro.
forehead.
I don't think you want a mirror yet, bro.
Precisely. And
Bro. Bro, look at this. This nigga made me look like a shitty villain that dies on episode 2. I'm just here to power scale Naruto.
You getting angles, right? You getting angles, right?
Yeah, I'll get
If
angles,
you get the
bro.
angles, we might eat tonight.
I'm gonna give you a face tap, bro.
We should have done this at 2:22 p.m., bro.
Nobody laughed.
Hey, put the crickets on this shit.
Harry Potter or some shit.
Harry Potter.
Damn. Bro, he's smiling.
Lil Vance.
What's up, dude? Head tap.
Damn, why you grabbing
Why'd you grab his neck like that, my nigga? Why did you grab his neck like that, bro?
down, ass up?
It's Thanos.
I mean, you can barely tell the difference.
Yeah, but still. Nigga looks like he has gills, bro. Gills?
This nigga looks like Harry Potter, Jatavion III, the Washington.
All right, whose turn is it? My turn.
You done yourself already, bro. You gonna let Julio do this, bro?
Do you
I
trust
don't trust Julio with this, bro.
Then tell him say no, bro.
He's so serious. Look at his BFM. Black Future Month.
Go, best friend. That's my best friend.
And Kanye we trust.
Just say you fell asleep in class, nigga, and then you just.
Like that.
Hey, put the picture of Zaire sleeping.
Oh, yeah. I'm about to put him on.
Move her though.
You ain't got none. She didn't give us none. Wait, when she up? Wait, when did she get off bread? Where's Xavier?
Bro, it's all Trini, bro.
Simba, way, oh.
Let's do Zaire.
Oh, way, oh, Timbaye.
Wait, she's still.
Man, come here. Help me out.
It's still dope as fuck.
I don't know how I look, bro.
Damn. If I was a girl, I'd fuck you.
Where's the eyeliner pen?
Three bitches only fan.
Oh shit, he's just like me for real.
Oh, that's. Come on. You can't tell me I didn't do it hard right there.
Nothing.
Get your gay ass up.
Oh my god, that's hard.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Damn. Sure.
Bro, go in there.
I know. Get this shit.
Give me the camera.
Oh, I don't like fuck with this. Julio, the hood has been asking for this for decades, bro.
I've only been alive for
That's besides the
years.
point.
We just used all of her shit.
She gonna be pissed.
I'm pissed, nigga. Where's the remover?
The fuck is this? What is this nigga? Enough screen time for you.
That's enough screen time, bro. Nah, bro, we gotta find Trini for the makeup wipes, though.
Oh shit. Ugh. We love to see black excellence, bro.
I can't believe you think this is a match. I let a guy clap. Nigga posted on Kellogg's under the stripes. Listen. Right? They call me Dick the way I say with 2 sticks. Dick Grayson, nigga. Nightwing.
That's yours.
Someone covered for him.
Motherfucking that guy. Oh, I got you, right? Back in high school, I had niggas scared to pack the lunch, right?
You're still in high school.
No, you didn't.
This last with the being the top Call of Duty pack a punched.
This nigga not graduating.
Futuristic, I'm gonna knock him out the metaverse.
Okay.
All right, show them about the metaverse.
All in Mordecai is everything you do is regular.
Oh, headbutt.
Oh, that shit was ass.
Don't get in here rapping, I'm stacking, making it happen.
Wait, is that Trini? You got Trini on the phone, bro.
Oh shit.
Trini, bring the wipes,
Bringing
bro.
the shit.
Where's the
Bring
wipes,
the wipes, bro.
Rest in peace, X.
Bring the wipes. She's running, that's why. Do you actually have the wipes, though?
She's right there. You can see.
No, you don't have the
It's
wipes?
easier to teach her how to fight or how to read, guys.
Trini,
What you
gave
laughing
us
for?
makeup with no
Share
wipes?
this discussion with the viewers.
Is there nothing to be passionate
Now
about?
you're gonna bitches. That's what it is.
Oh, damn, but this thing is so...
Nigga, y'all really knocked the makeup out of you. Mika.
Bro, I'll grab a brush right now. Start. She hung up.
She's right there.
She has to God,
God damn, she looks tiny. That's it.
if she tells me that she burnt makeup with no wipes. Trini,
Oh, you were still ready.
What's funny? Where's the wipes?
Trini? Where's the
Ain't shit funny. Where's the wipes? Where's the wipes?
Where are the wipes, Trini?
Fragile, too fragile.
Where's the drugs? Where are the drugs? Where's the
You'll be back. Where are you going?
Where are the wipes? You gave us makeup with no wipes?
You kind of set them up.
You gave us
Kind of set them
makeup.
up. You kind of set them up.
We go to CVS.
That's why I was telling niggas
Seriously.
it definitely is harder to teach niggas how to read than how to
Oh
fight.
my god. Nobody cares.
Perfect like black women.
You never what?
I like black women.
Right. And I'm white. The neck. Let me see the neck. The neck. Oh, look at you. It's pink.
Yeah, okay.
I just look like I was crying.
I'm about to go home.
You really going?
We out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure to smash that like button.
In the face. Make sure to download Raid Shadow.
We gon' strap it to the can.